by preheating your oven to 400 degrees. Take 1 red bell pepper and cover well with vegetable oil. Place the bell pepper on a roasting tray and set in the oven for 35 minutes. In the meantime, sear 1 thinly sliced white onion in a large pan with oil, salt, pepper, and garlic powder. And once the onions have browned and become translucent, remove from the pan into a separate bowl. Now add more oil to the pan and sear the sliced zucchini. Flip over after about 2 to 3 minutes, and once all have been flipped, remove from the pan into a separate bowl. Take your red bell pepper out of the oven and remove the outer skin while rinsing under cold water. Once the skin is removed, thinly slice the bell pepper. Now for the basil pesto. In a food processor, add 2 small packages worth of basil leaves, 6 ounces dried unsalted cashews, 3 cloves minced garlic, 1/3 cup nutritional yeast, 1/2 teaspoon salt, some red pepper flakes, the juice of 1 lemon, and 1/4 cup of water. Start the food processor, and while mixing, drizzle in 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil. After mixing for about a minute, remove the lid and use a spatula to scrape down the sides. Mix again for another 30 seconds, then remove into a separate container. Our ingredients are now prepared and we're ready to build the paninis. Grab sliced sourdough bread and spread vegan butter on the outer sides. Flip over and spread a generous amount of basil pesto on the inner sides. Now stack the ingredients including zucchini, onions, bell peppers, and a healthy portion of arugula. Cover with the top piece of bread and set aside. This recipe should yield a total of 4 paninis. Now heat a cast iron grill pan or other heavy-duty nonstick pan over medium-high heat and allow to warm up. Lay 1 panini at a time on your grill pan, then place a heavy, foil-wrapped pan on top of the panini to create a press. Allow to sear for 2 to 3 minutes, then remove the pan, flip the panini, and repeat this process for the other side. Once the panini has seared for another 2 minutes, remove from the grill pan onto a separate cutting board and repeat this process for the remaining paninis. The paninis are done. Look at those beautiful grill marks. I am ready to jump right into these. I could eat these every day. If you like what you saw in this video today and you want more vegan recipes, please follow along on Instagram, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys around.